New on the CBS 13 News at 5, he came face to face with the suspects who are accused of murdering 2 deputies, and he somehow survived, but he still has nightmares about a terrible day.
Every time I go to sleep, I just see him. Every time I be tossing and turning, I just see his face, like he the devil or something.
That's Anthony Holmes. He would not give up his car to the suspects, and he says they shot him. Good evening, I'm Sam Shane.
And I'm Shannon Bernius. Police arrested Marcelo Marquez and Janelle Monroy hours later. CBS 13's Ron Jones is telling us why Holmes is still so tormented by the attack.
Well, guys, this has been really difficult for Anthony Holmes, who survived a horrific shooting a couple of weeks ago.
Anthony Holmes says he's still haunted by the image of Marcelo Marquez.
He crazy. Man, this guy close my eyes. I close my eyes right now, I see him.
On the morning of October 24th, Anthony says Marquez had a crazed look in his eyes, a smile on his face, and a gun in his hand. Investigators say that's when Marquez and his wife, Janelle Marquez Monroy, were on the run after the death of Sacramento County Sheriff's Deputy Danny Oliver and before the murder of Placer County Sheriff's Deputy Michael Davis Jr.
I had to fight for my life.
Holmes was sitting in his car at a doctor's appointment on Spanos Court in Sacramento. He says that's when Marquez approached him, demanding his car. Holmes didn't see a gun.
And I look at him like, man, I don't know you. As soon as I say that, he just shoot me in my ear.
Holmes tried to get out of his car, but was trapped.
Then when he shot me, I'm just trying to fight him off.
He even kicked at the suspect, but more shots were fired.
He just pow, pow.
Holmes says Marquez eventually ran off, leaving him for dead.
I got two bullets was here, a bullet there, and a bullet in my ear 4 times.
Just inches from his brain, the first bullet ripped through his ear and lodged in his jaw. As Holmes laid in his car screaming for help, witnesses watched from a nearby medical office.
They on the other side of the glass looking at me, and they couldn't do nothing.
One of them called 911.
I'd like to say thank you. Thank you. He saved my life too.
Holmes says every time he closes his eyes, he sees Marquez's smiling face and a gun pointed at his head.
Man, crazy. Hard for me.
The suspects are both in jail without bail. She's being held in Sacramento County.
And he was transferred yesterday to El Dorado County Jail at the request of the Sacramento County Sheriff.